In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable GoDaddy 2FA. Sometimes you might need to disable two-factor authentication, or 2FA, on your GoDaddy account for various reasons, such as moving to a new phone, troubleshooting issues, or perhaps you've decided you no longer want this layer of security. Whatever your reason may be, the process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through it step by step. Let's start by logging into your GoDaddy account. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the GoDaddy website. Once there, you'll likely see a Sign In button, which is normally located in the upper right-hand corner of the home page. Go ahead and click on that. When prompted, enter your username or customer number and your password. You might have to complete the 2FA process if you currently have it enabled. So, check for a text message, email, or whatever method you initially set up for that additional verification step. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the GoDaddy dashboard. Now you're going to want to go to your account settings. Typically, you can access these by clicking on your name or the account icon, which is generally located in the top right corner of the page. A drop-down menu will appear, and you should select the My Products option from that list. This will take you to a page displaying all the products and services you've purchased from GoDaddy. From here, look for a section labeled Account Settings or something similar. It's usually on the left side of the page as a navigation menu option. Once you find it, click on it, and you should see an option for Login PIN or Security. Click on that, and this is where you manage your login information and security settings. Under the security settings, you'll find the two-factor authentication options. You'll see the current 2FA options available to your account. Here, there should be an option that says Disable or Turn Off. Click on that. GoDaddy will likely ask you for confirmation, as disabling 2FA can make your account less secure. If you're sure, follow the prompts to complete the process. After you've disabled 2FA, it's always a good idea to double-check. Try logging out and then logging back in to ensure that the 2FA prompt no longer appears, verifying that it is indeed disabled. And there you have it, a complete and simple guide to disabling 2FA on your GoDaddy account. Remember, while two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security, only disable it if you absolutely need to. If you decide to re-enable it in the future, be sure to follow GoDaddy's updated instructions to set it up again, keeping your account secure. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials.